We're about to remove this fridge, which is going to have probably many dead baby little cockroaches in it, which have all died, which means this whole place is going to smell like death.
Why would the fridge have cockroaches?
I don't know.
Old,
Because, the fridge has been here forever, and it hasn't been opened for many months.
It's been over a year.
Okay.
Over a year.
Not years.
And the cockroaches get in when it's open, I guess.
Can I open it?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna open it.
Bad?
Just
Actually,
the bottom.
no.
It's not bad at all, actually. There's no
Smell
smell
like
to
death?
it, dude. Well, I don't know. Let me take out this pizza.
Oh, there's a bunch of beers in there.
What's a Chinese? Like Chinese food.
Oh, God.
Okay, so it's not as bad as I thought.
Want a slice?
Oh, God.
Well, this video is disappointing.
Yeah, it is.
Daniel, I'm gonna need
here
this.
when we had the freezer.
That was... Well, we could open up the freezer, too.
Oh, God. I think, it opens forward. Pull it forward. Keep going. Oh!
Oh, there's a lot of good food in there.
Glad there's not a lot of giant
I'm not
black
eating
specks
that.
moving around. Whether flying or crawling. Everybody want a beer?
You got a box.
Beer don't go bad, don't it? Does it?
You got a box.
Check the expiration date.
Get a freaking box.
Oh, the food. Yeah, we were going to throw out the food. Right, forgot about that.
We're throwing out the food?
God.
Unless you want to eat something.
Oh, God, I'm gonna vomit
You
just
want
thinking about.
something?
Oh!
Fuck, dude. Come on.
There's a dead fly in here.
Yeah, I think the...
Open this.
Don't open it!
Just open it.
Don't open
No.
it!
Not in, oh, it's cold. Not in here. I'll open it outside, not in here.
Alright, we'll videotape this.
Close the fridge.
Looks like the little baby cockroaches wanted to get to it, but they couldn't because it was closed. Oh, God! Fucking moldy. It's all hell, man. I don't think the milk is good, man.
Oh, it smells so bad.
No, you are supposed to close it when you go to there. If we go up there, it's gonna smell. You're not supposed to just tow it open. That's still open. Thank you.
Quit whining.
Is that moldy?
It's been in there for a year. It doesn't matter.
Oh, but I want the macaroni to smell. Alright, let me get in there. I'll let you throw it.
Look at the milk.
Throw it away, but don't toss it anywhere. Don't throw it, it'll break.
That's the whole point. What about these beers?
Yeah, you want moldy milk all over?
I'll take care of those.
We're gonna drink those away.
Hey, another one.
No, don't open it.
No, I didn't hear, man. It's molding. I don't know.
Quit,
It's molding on the outside.
I'll close it back up.
It's not moldy. It's meat. Don't mold. It just looks nasty.
You want some leftover egg?
Hmm? Oh, God!
Show the camera. Oh.
You want to eat
Fuck.
Oh. Hey, Daniel, you can take this home. These are literally stuck together. See that?
Oh!
Show the camera.
What the hell, man? Oh, God! Oh, fuck. Yeah,
Oh.
no, wait, careful when you put it in there. We'll get...
I'll taste it too.
I got a bag right here.
Not cool, dude. Oh. Where the fuck is that
I
bag?
got it.
Why do you gotta see it? Shit,
Because I've never seen your old before.
it's like cartoons, man. Oh.
Damn. Oh, there we go. We found the secret.
All right.
You know why?
Yes.
They got it in? Because they pushed it. They didn't have to get it back out. Okay.
Okay, it's on the bottom stair.
Fuck. That was terrifying.
All right. Someone run around and get the dolly on the side now.
I just got here.
God damn it, fucking Philip!
No, put it down. We got it.
Get it flat.
I'll get the dolly.
We're good.
Oh my god. Shit ton. I think I could just tilt it and be all like, let's roll it now.
What I'm doing.
Goes boom.
You want help or no? I think he's doing some of that on purpose.
Well, yeah, you can see him laughing.
Do you want to try the dolly or what?
No.
I don't think it's a good idea. Just keep doing what you're doing and accept all help. Hey, wait, can you get the fucking... No, hey, we'll put... Right? What is this gonna help you survive the blast? I mean, this thing is solid. Fucking, our fridge doesn't weigh this. Oh shit. Okay, don't. Hey! He's walking bigger strides than I can even keep up with. Wait a minute. Why didn't we just tilt it this way? Fuck you! Oh, never mind. It still weighs too much.
Now that we have it out here, I figured out an easier way.
Oh, come on. Don't.
Oh, God. It still smells a little bit bad.
I'm going to put it over there. That green spot next to the speaker.
Yeah, put it on the line. Not on the side. We got it.